Hi guys, Sandra here of the blog with SensibleMom.com, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Shark Rocket Powerhead vacuum, and I'm going to be showing you how our family uses it to keep our floors clean. So let's get started. First, let's take the Shark Rocket Powerhead out of the box. Okay, so here is the Shark Rocket Powerhead out of the box, and as you guys can see, assembly was very easy. Now I'm just going to go through some different parts of the vacuum and tell you guys what I liked about it right out of the box. So first off, you guys probably noticed that this vacuum comes with two brush rolls. This one right here is the Deep Clean Carpet brush roll, and I switched this one out. This is the one that comes in the vacuum out of the box. And I switched this one out for the other brush roll, which happens to be the Gentle Touch Hard Floor brush roll right here. I switched out the brush rolls because I'm going to start vacuuming on our hard floor surfaces first. And then after I finish vacuuming our hard floor surfaces, I'm going to switch out the brush roll from the Gentle Touch Hard Floor brush roll to the Deep Clean Carpet brush roll. And then I like two features about this vacuum. First, the power button is on the handle, which makes it really easy to turn it on and off and to adjust the speeds. And it's got two speeds, high and low, so that's really convenient. And then second, the handle is adjustable, so whether I'm vacuuming or my husband's vacuuming or one of our teenagers is vacuuming, we can all adjust the handle to our height and be comfortable while we clean. Okay guys, now it's time to see how well this Shark vacuum cleans both carpet and hard floors. Let's do it. Okay, now I'm gonna switch out the brush roll to the other one so that I can vacuum the carpet. So as you guys can see, the Shark Rocket Powerhead did a great job of cleaning our floors. Now I'm gonna empty out the dust cup. Thank you so much for watching this Shark Rocket Powerhead review. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.